Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use impression filters in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want to give your photos an artistic touch? Impression filters in FaceApp can transform your images into something unique. So let's see exactly how by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the FaceApp application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using because it's available on both devices. After that, you're gonna look for the FaceApp application, then you're gonna find this and make sure to click on the installation button to install the app. Then you're gonna launch the app. After that, you're gonna grant it access to access your gallery and your camera. Once you do that, you're gonna upload your image either by using your camera to take a picture of your face or upload an already existing one with your face clear on it. Now, once you upload your photo, for example, I'm gonna upload this photo right here, you're gonna go to the impression section. You're gonna go to the filters section. As you can see in the toolbar, there are a lot of filters. So you're gonna choose the first one, which says impressions. You're gonna click on it. And here you're gonna find the Hollywood, the Hollywood, the kiss, the silk, the passion, the charm, the cute, the glance, the movie. So you're gonna choose your filter accordingly. Then you're gonna apply and adjust the effects. After that, you're gonna make sure to save your image. Now you can also use artistic filters sparingly and combine with clean edits, then choose styles that fit your photo. Impression filters add creativity to your photo, so try them out and make your images stand out. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.